In a world where precision meets endurance, every second counts. Introducing the Milifortic EM39M069 solar-powered military chronograph. A watch engineered to dominate the toughest terrains, powered by the sun, and built to outlast every mission. With Swiss retro Luminous technology, 10 ATM waterproof strength, and a solar-powered Epson Movement that runs for 6 months on a single charge, this isn't just a watch. It's your ultimate tactical companion. 2-year warranty, brown or black leather straps, and the confidence of 30-day returns for those who demand precision, durability, and style in the harshest conditions. Meet the Milifortic EM39M069 solar-powered military chronograph, where cutting-edge technology meets retro military design. Built for adventure, this watch features a Swiss retro luminous dial and microcurve sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating. Whether under the blazing sun or in pitch darkness, readability is never compromised. Powered by the Epson VS75 solar movement, this chronograph runs for 6 months on a full charge, no batteries, no hassle. Just pure solar energy to keep you on mission, anytime, anywhere. With 10 ATM/100M waterproofing, screw-down crown, and lock buttons, the EM39M069 thrives in extreme environments. Dive, climb, or command. This watch is engineered to endure. Track every second with precision. The military chronograph includes a 60-minute counter, 24-hour hand, and date calendar, essential tools for tactical planning and everyday mastery. Crafted from 316 liters stainless steel and paired with premium leather straps, the EM39M069 transitions seamlessly from the battlefield to the boardroom. Its 39mm retro design is bold yet timeless. Every Milifortic watch comes with a 2-year warranty, brown or black leather straps, and the confidence of 30-day returns. This isn't just a watch. It's a commitment to excellence. Key features highlighted. Epson VS75 solar movement, 6-month runtime. 10 ATM/100M waterproof with screw-down crown. Swiss retro luminous dial and sapphire crystal. 316 liters stainless steel case. 39mm retro design. Tactical chronograph functions. 60-min counter. Calendar. Ready to conquer your next mission. Click the link in description below to make the EM39M069 your ultimate tactical companion. Like this video? Subscribe for more rugged gear reviews. Hit the bell to never miss an update.